영원히 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 함께니까.
안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? It's ISSAC here. Welcome back. So today's videos, BTS JIMIN hair. First, go to rinse or spray water to reset your hair. Then apply the pre-styling hair product for the volume and the texture. Then comb a 6/4 hair parting with your hands. Now you can see the parting is really natural. Natural. Let's go to blow job. Blow dry. Let's go to blow dry, yeah. Remember, blow dry downward on the top and never blow dry for the hair parting. And blow dry backward always for the lower side. Blow dry with the high heat always, and just follow my guide because we need some more volumes at the front. So blow dry upward for the front, just blow dry downward for the back, nothing special. When we finish the blow dry, I would like to show you something important. Yes, the secret of Jimin hair. 가자. Just use your hand to get a rectangle section on the top, just like this. I would like to use this round brush. Then allow the hair wrap around the brush, just like this. Then apply the high heat to create the volume and the C curl. And if you think it is not curl enough, and I suggest you should do one more time. Yeah man, practice make perfect. So this is another method for wrap the hair on the round brush. Now we get a section from the front. Because Jimin hairstyle need more volumes on the top, strong C curl for the ends. So we need to apply the high heat about 7 to 10 seconds to the round brush. Oh my god, that's too curl man. But we need to curl like this. Then do step by step for each section. 잘생이 없다. Attention, please take out the round brush to the backward, then the C curl will go backward too. Just like this. Nice wavy. Oh my god, so handsome. Oh yeah baby. So now we're gonna repeat everything for the other side. Let's go. So after the C curl, we should do some more volumes for the hair parting. Just put and push back, then apply the high heat. And you will see more volumes on the hair parting. We need to keep the hairstyle stay up all day long, also create more texture. So we need the finishing hair product. And I suggest you should use the soft wax, soft matte paste, and never use the gel. Please don't use the gel. If you use the gel, I will put you to the jail. Ha, you're funny. Sorry, bad joke. Hey guys, don't forget to use your finger to do the details work. It's coming. The Jimin hair is coming. Oh my god. So this method is really useful. Just get another mirror so you can see the back with the mirror reflection. So for the back, just put everything backward will be fine. Yeah, trust me because I'm professional hairdresser. Finally, double comma. And don't forget to use the hairspray to give a tough hold. Also the nice shine. Guys enjoy these videos, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell and you will never miss my new videos. And comment below to tell me what idol's hair do you like. Alright, so see you guys on my next videos. Peace. Jimin hair.
有冇覺得好卡嗰個？ 那种。